I'm excited. I'm glad we're just here for the day. Because of COVID, Yosemite's only open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we got up early, drove out here, and we're going to go run for a while, eat some lunch, hike for a while, and go home.
Yes, and we are starting from the base of El Capitan, which is always freaking amazing every time.
Never gets old. Hi.
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 So we're taking the valley kind of floor trail. The one goes around the whole valley. Valley Loop. And we parked just past El Capitan. And there's a little parking spot, like 4 cars. And there's a little trail, and then we take a left. You will come to this area where there's a road that comes up. As you come up, the road takes a left, like so, to pavement, but it's been swallowed up by the forest over time, so it's like a paved path. Okay, this is the first part you come to where the road has washed out from this fall right here, and just pretty easy to navigate around a few boulders and up the other side. And voila, you're back on the pavement.
It's not a speed course, that's for sure.
Our trail run is turning into like a Tough Mudder obstacle course. We got one more obstacle in the middle, giant boulder, easy go around. Get pavement again. Go through the brush. And you're here. If you turn around here, you start getting your first view, Half Dome. Even though it's 20 something, we're starting to warm up from running. And the sun's out.
It's nice.
Got a great view behind us. So now we're going to go around
The boulders.
Yeah, this jungle kind of covered a trail. Very simple though, just go behind it. Very easy. And then you come across the really washed out boulder field part.
But it's not hard. And the road's right on the other side.
Yeah, just right here.
But this is not the trail to do if you're trying to get in a consistent run.
Right. This is not a trail run.
No.
Across here we have Bridevale Falls. One more spot where it's completely washed out. Just make your way across the boulders. Big rock slide. Kind of go up a little bit here. And we're back. Alright, still traces of pavement here.
Yeah, it's interesting. Like, at some point this was a road.
Yeah, across you can see the actual tunnel view and the road to Wawona.
Here I go up and over. Which I don't know that I've ever done while holding a camera, so that's cool. Who says you need 2 hands when you're bouldering? Ooh. Let's find out. Did you go up and over or around? Round. Okay.
This part is a little sketchy. This looks very loose here, and there's a lot of fresh fall right there, so be very careful in this area. So I'd stay on the boulders. The rock slides are getting denser, smaller rocks. On the other side, you can still see pavement, which you can see here. Trail winds around here. There's a pipe coming out. It's like a rock wall, and we go around that nice section here. Another rock slide area, and across you can see tunnel view. This one's a little bit more aggressive. There is like no semblance of trail at all here. The road's completely gone. But I think it's up there, so that's where we'll go. Okay, this is the end. Let's go high road. High road, there's lots of trees. Let's go low road. Low road's better. And back to some pavement here.
You definitely need to enjoy scrambling over rocks for this trail, which I do. Did you go that way?
Mm-hmm. Low road.
I'm gonna do this way.
Oh, Jesus.
What do you think about that?
It's gonna ruin my shot. Hey, more rocks. Surprise, surprise. But there's still pavement. I've had good luck with low roads, so let's keep going low road. And we're back. Lots of trees falling here. Have to navigate. Lots of them. I think it's better if you do yoga and you do this.
I like yoga.
You should be good.
Okay. How was that?
That was good. Good core strength. This part's just completely gone. Keep heading through there. This part's just a mess. It doesn't look easily passable. We're not really sure where to go.
Nope.
We looked at a map and we know that it zigzags. We go switchbacks up, but we can't really tell by looking here how we go up. So I think we'll just kind of, I just think we'll go up.
Yeah, that looks like it's broken, so that looks trailish.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up that way and that way.
Okay, let's do this. All right, after a short climb from our last discussion, we realize I think we're up on it now, because here's a definite man-made little rock wall here. And then behind here looks somewhat semblance of a road. I think I see some more pavement down in here.
Where do you see pavement?
Right
Oh, like
there.
right. Yeah, and we're even like right there, I think.
Okay,
Right here.
we're back on the trail. We've decided that we can't find the switchback, so we're just going to go straight up to where that ledge is, which we think is the top of the switchback in the road that goes off to the left. Okay, we found the road. Why don't you come over here and see me? Yeah, I think it might be easier to go up there and right across here, because I don't think you can climb this. I think this is too messy here. Tell me about your adventure.
Well, I got stuck. He You walked up it in about 45 seconds. I took about 30 minutes. So that was cool.
How'd you get up?
I had to slide up on my butt because I got stuck and I couldn't climb anymore because I'm a big chicken. So I turned around, I took my pack off, I tossed it up above me, and then I used my arms to push myself up the steep dirt part. But I made it.
How'd your tights fare?
I'm a little bit dirty and muddy. But I made it up from down there, so it's all good.
So this guy Eric, who gives us these insane trails to clean up during the
Facelift.
Yeah, Yosemite facelift at the end of the season, told us about this one. He said you go out and you go up these switchbacks over all these rock slides, and then you'll get to a gate and a fence, and that's where you can see the tunnel view where Ansel Adams took the iconic picture. And we have finally, after several years, made it to the gate. And there's the tunnel view right over there, actual tunnel view, touristy area. But
that is not where Ansel Adams took his picture.
This is not where Ansel Adams took his picture.
Because you cannot see waterfalls. Oh, you can see the waterfall.
You can see Bride Vale,
but you cannot see Half Dome, and you cannot see what's it?
El Capitan.
El Cap. And you cannot see the valley.
Yeah, once you get through all that stress, then you have this beautiful, flat, smooth,
actual legit trail.
Tunneled trail.
You might be able to run a little bit.
This point, it's getting kind of swallowed up by the brush. Looks like it's not too terrible here. About 3.5 miles in. Little tiny waterfall. Nice little stream here. Okay, so we've come to this stream and we've gone 4 miles. We're about 3.8, 3.7 something in on this trail. And
it's taken us a really long time.
Yeah, it's taken us a long time. The park, we have to be out of here by 5, and it is like
almost 2.
Almost 2 o'clock. So we gotta hightail it back out of here, back to the van, and get out of the park before they close it for the day. So this will be the end of our exciting video.